Words appear. Meet Bard. A chatbot interface appears. Your creative and helpful collaborator. Bard is an early experiment by Google. A sentence entered into the interface reads, "I want to write a novel. How can I get started?" A list of tips appears. It can supercharge your imagination. It can boost your productivity. It can bring your ideas to life. Another prompt reads, "Outline my blog post about summer mocktail recipes." Bard gives you multiple drafts to explore more options. Bard won't always get it right. Telescope emoji, grimacing face emoji. But your feedback will help Bard become even more helpful. Text entered into the interface reads, "I want something more concise." And Bard makes it easy to check responses on Google. A button at the bottom of the Bard chatbot reads, "Google it." Sign up at bard.google.com.